In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change X.com or Twitter accounts in just a few seconds. This is a super quick tutorial, but it's really useful if you manage more than one account, or if you simply want to switch from one profile to another without logging out and logging back in. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X on your browser or in the app, and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile. This opens the account menu, where you'll see different options related to your X account. From the menu, select Add an existing account. This is the option that lets you connect another account that you already own. Once you choose it, you'll be prompted to sign into that account if you aren't already signed in. After that, the account will be added, and you can easily switch between your accounts whenever you want. That's really all there is to it. No complicated settings, no extra steps. Just click the profile at the bottom left, choose Add an existing account, and you're done. This is one of the fastest ways to manage multiple X or Twitter accounts without any hassle. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.